How to use WeChat for business. WeChat, Weixin in Chinese, is the largest social media app in China. Launched in 2011, it has already grown to over 1 billion monthly active users, dominating the social media and messaging space in China. WeChat is now a go-to channel for merchants to promote their brand and sell their products in China. If you want to leverage WeChat to grow your business in China, here's your guide to getting started. What is WeChat? WeChat is a social media and messaging app that was developed in China. It is similar to WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger, but it also has a lot of other features that make it unique. WeChat has a 1.24 billion user base and is the largest social media app in China. It is available in both Chinese and English, making it accessible to a global audience. How WeChat works for businesses. WeChat for Business is a promotional tool that allows businesses to set up a presence on the WeChat platform. By setting up a WeChat store, businesses can sell their products directly to Chinese consumers. WeChat for Business is a powerful way to reach Chinese consumers, as the app has over 1 billion monthly active users. In addition, WeChat users are highly engaged with the app, spending an average of 2 hours per day on it. The app contains 4 main sections that are particularly important for business owners. WeChat Chat Interface. A chat interface similar to Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. WeChat Moments. Similar to the Facebook timeline, it is the place where users can post or access news from their friends. WeChat Wallet. This gives users access to payment services, money transfers, flight and movie tickets, and more. WeChat Pay. This is the payment service that is built into the app. Users can link their bank account or credit card to the app and use it to make payments in-app or in-store. By combining social media, chat, and payment features, WeChat has become a powerful promotional tool for e-commerce businesses' social selling in China. Over 100 countries can now apply for an account with WeChat, even if they don't have a Chinese business license. How to use WeChat for business. But how can you, as a brand, set up your own presence on WeChat? Here are the steps to follow, from setting up your WeChat account to marketing it to WeChat users. Set up a brand page on WeChat. Unlike Facebook or Instagram, brand posts on WeChat do not appear on the main social timeline. Instead, they appear in WeChat's chat interface. A brand page on WeChat is called a WeChat official account. There are 3 types of WeChat official accounts that can be used for marketing. WeChat service accounts. These accounts appear alongside friends for WeChat users. They are extremely visible but are limited to 4 push notifications per month. It offers customer service, e-commerce, CRM, and API integration features. WeChat subscription accounts. These accounts can post articles daily, 1 push notification per day, but are less visible than service accounts in your news feeds. They appear in a subscription folder that users have to open in order to see the latest articles. WeChat enterprise accounts. These accounts are for corporations like Slack or Facebook. Both types of accounts let you send an unlimited number of messages to any user who messages the account directly. These messages will be considered customer service messages, and will therefore not be counted into the account quota. The customer service window lasts 48 hours from the moment the account receives the last message from that user. Users can then open either a service account or their subscription account folder in order to access articles published by brands. Create a WeChat store. WeChat shops are e-commerce experiences embedded within WeChat. A brand can make its products available through WeChat by creating a WeChat store. In particular, WeChat's integration with influencer campaigns is one of the main advantages you get with a WeChat store compared to traditional websites. Conversion rates are also much higher, as each step on the user path is optimized for WeChat. How to create a WeChat shop. WeChat shops are not provided directly by WeChat. In that sense, they are completely different from Facebook shops or Google listings. Instead, WeChat provides a toolkit, SDK and API, that enables merchants to create WeChat shops using a special programming language. The language used to create the WeChat shop is a framework based on the ubiquitous JavaScript programming language. WeChat Moment Ads. WeChat Moment Ads appear on the main WeChat social timeline, WeChat Moments. They are very similar to Facebook mobile timeline ads. These ads open a landing page that can then lead to either a website, a mini program, or a download page on app stores. These ads are the most visible of WeChat ads. WeChat mini program ads. WeChat also enables display advertising within WeChat mini programs. In practice, These ads behave like advertising banners on newspapers. The developer of a mini program can define locations where they would accept ads to be displayed. WeChat then optimizes the type of ads in order to maximize user engagement, and the mini program developer receives a share of the ad revenue. Mini program ads can also be displayed as interstitial ads in WeChat games. WeChat mini program ads are much cheaper than WeChat moment ads, with a CPM around 11 renminbi, $1.50 United States cents. WeChat article ads. WeChat article ads are displayed at the bottom of an article from another WeChat official account. As WeChat mini program ads, they behave like advertising banners on websites. Accounts can opt in for these ads to be displayed and will then receive a share of revenue. WeChat article ads can take users to websites, mini programs, WeChat official accounts, app stores or WeChat coupons. How to open your WeChat advertising account. In order to open your WeChat advertising account, log into your WeChat official account and click on Advertiser in the Promotion tab of the left menu. The next page will be displayed in Chinese. You can use Google Translate to translate it to English, and click on the Advertiser button. On the next pages, simply review and accept the terms of use and select your company's industry to complete the application. Accounts in the real estate, supplements, and financial industries will systematically get rejected. Accounts in the fashion industry are the most likely to pass the verification. If you are unable to pass the verification on your own, you might need to reach out to one of WeChat's partner digital marketing agencies in order to help you with the process. Telegram, Facebook groups, and even WhatsApp groups are popular in the Western world. In China, nearly all major e-commerce platforms have WeChat groups for users to complain and ask for help. WeChat groups also often exist for meetups and communities around an interest. WeChat groups are a great place to talk directly to your customers in real time and give them the best possible experience. WeChat is a powerful ecosystem through which to launch a brand in China. By leveraging cross-border payments and influencers, companies can quickly grow their presence in the Chinese market, setting themselves up to expand further through a popular e-commerce market.